A common mistake that we see on new builds, new construction, the wrong wrap on the outside. There are many wraps out on the market these days with vapor permeability and vapor retardabilities. Joseph, let's go through it. So normally what we used to see was a foil sarking on the outside of the building envelope, a big no-no.
The National Construction Code has changed to make additional requirement on moisture management for wall construction. One of the most obvious changes is the use of vapor-permeable wrap on the outside, which replaced the conventional foil sarking. The difference between the two, as you can see, this one is definitely not shiny, not reflective, but it's more about how it's made. This particular type of new sarking allows moisture to pass through just like your Gore-Tex jacket. The good thing about this is if any accident happens that somehow your timber get moisture coming into the zone, it can gradually release and maintain the integrity and also prevent mold growing in the wall cavity.
Okay, so there are other wrap products out in the market which are primarily designed in the majority of Australia to go on the inside of the wall system. So if we turn this around, this is the inside. This would conventionally be filled with insulation, and this wrap would go on the inside. You then batten it out and you put in a services cavity. But these wraps cannot, Procter Geo, Procter Smart Vap, they cannot be installed on the outside of the building fabric. They will stop any moisture that might get into the wall cavity from getting outside.
Unless you are in the tropic, which is zone 1 and zone 2 for the building code climate zone.